Man, what is up, YouTube? Right now I'm in the X3 mama with it, man. But it's not gonna be an X3 type of video today, man. X3, we'll talk about the X3 later. We're not here to talk about the X3, but as you can tell, if you watched my last video, I had caught the BMW 340 F30 from Copart, man. So I just came back from Walmart right now. I picked up some Ziploc bags so I can organize the bolts. But if y'all ain't know, bro, my boy Shah Bill has passed away. What was it, last week? Crazy news, man. He's the one who built my engine. I believe this is the last engine that he built, so I gotta go crazy for Shah, bro. I gotta go crazy. Like, this was so unexpected. So unexpected, bro. Like, that was, like, the way I found out, I just made no, like, I was working by his house, and I just on IG, I'm scrolling, I just see someone post RP the S55 King. I'm like, what? I hit up his brother, and he's like, yeah, he died with a heart attack. Bro, I just talked to this guy, bro. He did let me use some of the soap, because I detailed, he let me use some of the soap, because I ran out, I was working, like, right by his crib, like, the week before. And it just hit, like, damn, bro, you could just, you gotta check up on your people, but people could leave whenever, bro. That's crazy. You don't know what people are going through inside. I believe he was in and out the hospital. I didn't even know that. That's crazy, but, like, you know, God bless him, man. You know, hope he's doing great where he's at right now, but that's some crazy news. My nigga Shah, bro. Like, what? Bro, what? He don't know who put this car back together, bro. He built my motor, installed the motor, installed the turbo kit, everything, bro. Y'all seen him in the last video Shah built. Stop right now, comment RIP Shah down in the comments, man. It's really crazy, bro. When I found out, like, I was heartbroken, bro. But yeah, we got that F30 340 today, bro. We're gonna take her apart. I ain't gonna lie, this one got some frame damage. So we're gonna see what's going on. We're gonna tear it piece by piece down. So basically what I'm trying to do today is I'm trying to take all the front end off, radiator support, crash bar, everything, and so we can see the actual frame. Cause I believe the accident, the car went like this. Yeah, it was hit this way, everything swayed to the right. So I'm gonna take all this off so I can leave the frame rails exposed so we can see the frame rails. So then I'm gonna take it to a machine shop, not a machine shop, but a frame shop, and then go straighten everything out, straight pull straight, whatever they gotta do. But yeah, man, it's all gonna be done right here in my driveway, and she running drive, man. Let me know what we should do with this car in the comments. Let me show y'all a little bit more of the car. I don't know if I got the key on me, but I'm a she-sign. I do got the key on me though. But look at the interior though. That's the best part of the car right here, man. Interior. Brown guts. She look good, bro. I'm gonna do a whole M Sport conversion and everything. Might as well, right? What's the 340 with an M Sport? So we're gonna definitely swap that over. You know. But we gotta figure out what's going on right here first. So I'm gonna start tearing everything down. I'm gonna take it on the way with me, man. You know, it's just me and a toolbox and God, to be honest, bro. It's hot today. I'm sweating already. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the car around, have it facing the garage. Right now, it's steaming, bro. So I'm gonna make the front face the back because the front is damaged. So I have my garage and my tool right there. But I can't run this car too long because no coolant. No coolant, you know what that means. Car gonna get hot, steamy. But yeah, she start right up. She only got 50K mile on her. Look at the temperature trying to go up. Look at the temperature trying to go up. We're in that B58 today, boy. We're in that big B58. Jeez. Fans is running at max speed, like chill. I'm gonna put her in. Chill. She got hot. Oh, what was that? Whew. Turn her off, man. But after I'm done, I gotta give her a nice detail. Keep the seats clean, pristine. But I'm sweating already, but y'all gonna see the whole process. But what the hell did I just run over? Oh, it was a little under tray. But yeah, she dripping coolant. Got my toolbox right here. Don't mind this, I gotta clean it up a little bit. So we about to start tearing her down. Alright, y'all. I got my boy Treachy Jr. right here. Look at the cut, though. Damn. Shout out to barber, though. Damn. But we're gonna begin by taking off. What's this? The radiator support. I got my plastic baggies right here. We're gonna baggie all the bolts. But if anyone trying to sponsor me with some parts or anything like that, not parts but tools, hey, hit my email down below. We need some tools. But let's start taking this apart, man. Alright, like I said, we're gonna do the radiator support, so I'm gonna go ahead and write it down right here. I believe it consists of a whole bunch of T40s and how do you spell radiator? Hold on.
Just say R-A-D.
R-A-D.
Yeah, so you gotta put
support. You know what I'm saying? Whatever that says. I know what it says, but this video is sponsored by Milwaukee. I wish. But got a whole bunch of T40s. That bit come up easy. Whenever y'all seen this video, do not try to attempt at home, cause ain't no way.
Hood mechanic certified.
Hood mechanic certified.
BMW tech.
That thing is budged in. Holy. What's these? What I got? T50s? T45. Yeah. Dang, tool not even strong enough. I'm gonna need some better tools, y'all. Alright, so I believe it should just lift up.
Ooh, don't let that fall in there.
Come right to the bottom. Let's see. Hell nah.
Whole car lifting, bro. Gotta take off these. These
They don't look like it though. Oh, I do. You're right. Jumbo the mechanic.
of course. BMW tech only.
Only. Alright. Got the hood latch bolts off. Couldn't get this one off because it's pretty bent. But oh, that's my headlight bracket. Might need to get a new one. That joint fake twisted up.
Where?
Right here. I think the headlight bracket though. That's right here. Unless I get a hammer and just smack it. Try to get. Quickly update y'all, as you can see, we took the crash bars off and everything. This thing is bent that way. What we're gonna do is pop these radiators off, and everything is crammed up, so it's kind of hard to take everything off, but we gotta pop all these hoses. Boom, 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 boom. Pop them hoses off. Then we're gonna look at the frame. It's about to rain?
I just felt a raindrop.
No way.
We're cooked?
Fuck no. Rain don't stop no man. But go ahead and pop these radiators off real quick, y'all. Oh, wait. All right. Got both these babies out. Oh, dripping straight coolant.
Why does the coolant look like that?
Coolant all type of colors. I'm gonna put over there. Shit leaking. But yeah, I should get some gloves. I need a glove sponsorship. Let me wipe my hands before I grab y'all real quick. Wipe my hands off. But we damn near got the whole front extend exposed.
We should wear gloves.
Nah, for real. Gotta still take this off, take these out. But yo, this shit got hit.
You think the car gonna start?
Yeah.
Let's start right.
Shit got no coolant in it though.
It's not like we're gonna go nowhere. Just start it.
Start for what?
Just see how the motherfucker rotating, you know what I mean?
And on these parts, got a alternator right here for y'all. Got a power steering. Or that AC compressor. Shit, I don't even know.
Forget all that.
Forget all that.
Sell the turbo right now.
We got a dog turbo right there.
Hybrid for stock. Let me know. No money on top. Just
no money on top.
No money on top.
No money on top.
Stock for hybrid. Let me know.
Yo, dog, hit us up. But I'm gonna still remove these real quick. These, take this off, so we can really see what's going on, y'all. Why you sitting down for?
I'm expecting the damage.
Oh, okay.
It's a total loss though.
It's total loss?
Total loss.
These should slide right. Oh shit. Should slide right out. Pull that one out. Unless there's more bolts in it.
I believe there's more down.
Is there more bolts?
Has to be. I think there's one more bolt in.
Hold it. I don't think so. Nope.
Oh, whoa.
What
about new frame?
Next not in the frame.
New frame.
This the frame right here. That big I get straight. But this, that we got a whole new part coming up for that. Let me smack that one a couple times.
Imagine having this guy as your neighbor, bro. Oh, every day. There's always something. Every day, bro.
Woo. Damn, she twisted, bro. Yeah, look. Show them this. This gotta go this way. And this gotta come this way.
So much torque. Chassis twisted.
Chassis twisted off the line, bro.
What?
Chassis twisted off the line. But I don't think damage is that bad. What y'all saying down below?
I think it's horrible.
And we're gonna need a new hood.
Carbon fiber GTS.
Chill. What y'all saying, bro? Definitely gotta get a new auxiliary radiator.
Oh yeah.
That shit's cooked.
Alright, so when we gonna start with the downpipe turbo tune?
I mean, we could dead take it to the track right now. Just we got enough for one pass. No coolant.
We gotta tow it there though. That's the problem.
Nah, for real.
Low key.
What the hell is this? Oh, heat exchanger? Baby heat exchanger, I guess?
No clue. You racing today?
Chill. What the bombo is this?
What sensor do you think that is?
Hood latch. Hood sensor. Yeah.
So thing is getting a makeover.
No, for real though. At least the damages, from what I can see, it's just up front.
Something in your head. My fault. There was something in there.
Damn, bro. I gotta take this off. Cause it's attached to the frame rail. Yeah, that big got kinked right here. So the whole thing gotta go this way. Alright, y'all. Everything off. Basically, I can't do nothing now, but find out what I need to order. I got a whole list right now. I'm about a whole front end and come in one piece, but I just sent some pictures to the frame shop because this gotta get straightened out and everything. It don't look too bad, but what do I know? I'm just a guy who's trying to learn and make shit happen for y'all. But what y'all saying though? And I just gotta, someone just comment on my video. No, the X3 is not dead. We just have some tuning problems with boot mod right now with the new ROM and shit like that. But X3 sitting right here, y'all. She here. She here. She not dead. I was just driving her. Like I said, show y'all in the beginning of the video. She not dead, but now I got my hands on another project, so we're gonna be putting out B58 content, S58 content, F30 content, you know, and 97 content. That's the ignition on?
Huh?
Ignition on?
No.
The auto body keep making hella noise. But yeah, we done put it all to like an hour, 30 minutes, not an hour. But yeah, I just gotta get adjusted now. Got everything cleaned up, got the parts list. Now the next step is frame shop. But I'm gonna order all the parts and see. I'm talking to this guy that one of my subscribers, he's actually, that I follow my IG, he got an X3M himself. He owned a body shop, so he told me to buy everything first before I took it to the frame shop. So if everything, to make sure everything will fit in, and if it don't fit, have them refix it. You know what I'm saying? But this is a journey, man. It's my first time having to ever do framework on a car, so I don't know how this process goes. I usually just have to either change fenders, bumpers, but not the whole frame. So hopefully they can pull that out. It doesn't look too bad. He was telling me that these is replaceable easily right here, but I have no idea. Right there, she runs good, low miles, 50K on the dash. So at least it runs and drives. I bought a F30 one time. It came with a blown motor. That's the crazy thing. Blown motor, 328. I had the tune on my phone. It was a flame tune, some crazy shit like that. Flame tune at like 5,000 RPMs. That shit was nasty, bro. But that's it for the video, y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. We got a whole series coming with this baby. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you tap in. Peace out.